Hello, student. We are in the process of accepting applications for next school year's Kadena Student Ambassador Program. Before you apply, I hope you watch this video until the end so that you understand that this is not just another student activity or extracurricular organization, but a very important piece needed to assist all incoming and departing students. This is actually the same presentation that we present to all of our distinguished visitors. A little background information. Ms. Lois Rapp, our Pacific Director, received feedback on school's performance on how we handle students who transition into and out of our schools. This is what we found. Kadena High School had an existing transition program. We did not have a lunch gathering program as part of our transition program. We did not have a dedicated space or room for transition activities. We did not measure student transition. With high turnover of DODEA teachers, continuity of the program was difficult. And we did not have a process or procedure to ensure that transition activities were consistent for all transitioning students with all schools within the district. As a result, she has now implemented the student transition program in each of our secondary schools throughout the schools in the Pacific. The students are the heart of our Student Ambassador Program at Kadena High School. This program will take considerable commitment on your part, and you have the ability to continue what has already been done or improve or create new processes for each of our components. This program has only been in existence for 3 years, and we were privileged enough to have the same student ambassador leaders who tweak the program that we currently have in place today. This program, again, is a student-led program, and we need leaders for the 7 components that is needed for the program. Each year we will have training, and I hope that our second year and third year students will step up to the plate and lead our program training. Here are the 7 components to our student transition program, and we will need someone to take care and lead 6 of these components. And as the transition coordinator, I will handle this part of the program. A couple of things I'd like to add next year is a student liaison between the Teen Center and the school to plan on-island trips with the Teen Center, a calendar of all of our meetings, and we will also need someone in charge of the bulletin board and someone in charge of fundraising activities. Here are the components that we have had so far. Here are social events. We love that PTSO support. Some of our farewell events and socials. We've done an ice cream social. Here's something new is that our bulletin boards for new students and announcements. And we have the liberty to use student ambassadors that also become career practicum students, in which students can earn a credit for their career practicum class, where they will run student ambassador activities and some of the components in the main office or in guidance. And students will receive a credit. Along with transition coordinators, our resources, it's going to be important that you know the resources that are available to our students to address mental health issues and also issues with transcripts and who they can turn to. Here are some of our onboarding sessions that we have presented in the past with all of our new students and some of their activities. Our transition website will need to be refreshed at the very beginning of next school year. There may be opportunities to do promotions on local radio station, and when called upon, we sometimes conduct commercials that are published or seen on AFN all over the world. Here's what our lunch program can look like, or does look like. That's actually a true video. Some of the creativity that the students wanted. We've been called upon to present in Hawaii at the Hawaiian Roundtable presentation virtually because we were still in COVID. And we do some fun activities with our leadership team. So if you're in charge of a component of the program, we don't always do our meetings here on campus. We do take them to Chili's or Shakey's Pizza, wherever we can do them. And just please consider joining us next school year as we grow our program. We hope that you are serious. You're going to be a serious applicant. And the more detailed you are on the application, the better. We want to definitely take all of our applications seriously. But if there's no vision into your role, then that can sometimes be very difficult. And if you have any questions, please ask me. I'm in guidance, and my name is Ms. Alcazar. Thank you.